Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sofia Turahmah with NIM 200222028, Majors Early Childhood Education, Faculty of Education, Padang State University. My goal is to make this video to me the final exam of the semester 1 with courses English language and lecture Yati Aisarani SPD MPD by telling memories that I never forget in my life, my online college story, and my dream of becoming a teacher. Memories that I never forget in my life. As for the experience that really remains in my memory is when I was a kid, where a family consisting of father, mother, and me. We went to night market with a variety of rides. At that time, I really wanted to ride the Ferris wheel, but mother didn't allow it because the vehicle is very dangerous and not suitable for small children to ride. I was crying until mother allowed me to ride the rides. Because the mother was dizzy to hear me always cry, the mom finally let me ride the ride with the condition, you come with me. After being satisfied, reading the rides and shopping, we rest and ate. After that we sat around and talked. Between conversation, my father called me to approach him. But one day I fell into a hole. At that time I cried in pain and tried to call my father from the hole. And my mom and dad tried to find help so I could go upstairs. After being recessed out of the hole, mom and dad took me to the hospital because head is bleeding and finally sent for CHRs. Even though this incident had happened many years ago, but until now this incident is very memorable in my memory, and when I remember, sometimes feel laughing and smiling to myself of this. My online college story. As for my opinion about online lectures that I have experienced during this semester, there are positive and negative impacts. As for the positive impact that I get with these online lectures is I'm increasingly active and understand the virtual world. Example like I can finish review. I am working on a paper by myself and I better understand the problem of cyberspace, which is currently globalizing, and the existence this online lecture in my opinion is less and less paper waste. Due to less paper usage and most tasks are done by typing. As for negative impact that may outweigh the positive impacts, one of which is the impact of the network, which is very influential and is the source of the first problem of this online course. Because the network is uneven in all areas as well as the state of learning, which often has error, which resulted in me being late and not even attending. Likewise, with the taking place of this online lecture, as a student, I felt that I didn't get enough knowledge from the lectures related of the course due to the lack of explanation from the lectures. That experience during online lectures and almost reset this semester. My dream of becoming a teacher. When I grow up, I want to be a teacher. I really want to become a teacher because I want to educate the nation children, and I also want to be useful for the country and the nation. So I have to study hard and teach what my teacher tells me to do. I have studied diligently because we are the next generation for the country and nation in Indonesia. Teacher to me is an unsung hero, and maybe without my teacher and other friends would not understand letters and numbers, and also could not write and read. That is the sacrifice of a teacher. To the contrary, then we must obey what is ordered by the teacher and obey the school rules. That's the reason I really aspire to be a teacher, because in my opinion, the job of a teacher is a very noble job.